Tommy?
Hi.
Hi, why'd we have to put the duck there?
Because my legs are just open. I just like to sit like this. And I didn't want you guys to see my part.
Well, it was kind of impolite.
Aren't they funny?
You had surgery the other day.
And look how long my legs are.
They're really long.
And I'm just a silly boy. Look, I don't care what you're doing to me.
I know, you're so sweet.
I know.
And does your tail ever stop?
Oh, it stopped down.
Oh, that's kind of funny because you're getting your nose in.
Yeah, it's funny.
You can't do two things at once.
No, I can't.
Feel your nose
can't
and
chew gum and walk
wag your
at the same
tail.
time. But this is kind of fun.
Okay, well, all I see is your nostrils.
Well, is there any boogies in there?
No, looks pretty good.
Oh, good. So I'm having a good time.
You are.
Yep.
You like it here.
I do. I'm having a great time.
You are going to have to go, though, okay?
I'm going to need my own home?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep, everyone has to go.
Okay.
All right, well, I don't think you're going to be here long.
Probably not.
Okay, bye.
Bye.